Egnyte Secure Delivery ensures only intended recipients have access to shared files and allows you to revoke access, even if the recipient previously downloaded those files. When customizing a share link, select specific recipients and enter the desired email addresses. Then, under Allow Downloads, choose Yes, Encrypted. Recipients can view the shared file in their web browser. However, they must install Egnyte FileGuard to open the encrypted file. Once the link expires, recipients will no longer have access to the shared file, even if they downloaded it. At any time, you can revoke access before the expiration date and track the link views and file opens under the link's details in the My Links tab. Maintain control of your shared content with Egnyte Secure Delivery.